Butternut Squash Soup. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 1 2-pound butternut squash, peeled, and seeded, and cut into 1-inch cubes. 2 medium carrots, peeled and chopped. 2 large shallots, chopped. Kosher salt. Freshly ground black pepper. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon packed brown sugar. 2 teaspoons ground ginger. 1 teaspoon curry powder. 4 cup low sodium vegetable broth. 1 cup apple juice. 1 cup water. Half cup pumpkin puree. 2 tablespoons cream cheese, softened. Heavy cream, optional. For the topping: 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Half cup pepitas. Half a teaspoon chili powder. Kosher salt. Directions: for the soup: in a large pot over medium heat, heat oil. Add squash, carrots, and shallots and season with salt and pepper. Cook, stirring occasionally, until beginning to soften, about 5 minutes. Stir in garlic, sugar, ginger, and curry powder, and cook until vegetables are beginning to caramelize, about 2 minutes more. Pour over broth, apple juice, and water. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer and cook until vegetables are soft, about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, whisk together pumpkin puree and cream cheese until incorporated. Pour pumpkin mixture into pot and stir to combine. Using an immersion blender, puree soup until smooth. Season with salt and pepper and stir in desired amount of heavy cream, if using. Serve soup topped with pepitas. For the topping: preheat oven to 350 degrees. On a medium baking sheet, toss pepitas with oil and chili powder and season with salt. Bake, shaking the pan halfway through, until pepitas are crunchy and golden, about 10 minutes. Let cool completely.